My name's Rod Guerreri. I'm with Infinity Trailers, and we're here in Louisiana. We brought our B1000 unit down here to demo, and I'm going to first walk through and show you all the components. So, manufactured in Colorado, that's where Infinity's from. We build everything, the chassis, everything in our shop. So we have a metal shop. We build everything from the ground up. So right here we got the tool holder. The suction tube will go in here. The wand for the power washer gun will go inside here. This is the power unit. Power unit's made by NVE out of Michigan, National Vacuum Equipment. So they ship us the unit, the motor, Yanmar motor, 36 horsepower, and then the blower and the vacuum is all done by NVE. All the components are bolt-on. So if something happens, the customer tears up a fender, you literally just unbolt it. All the bolts, everything on the trailer is made. You can just literally go to your local hardware store, pick up whatever part you need. If it's within the warranty, the National Vacuum has a 1-year warranty on the power equipment, and we have a 2-year warranty on the trailer. And so if you need a part quick, you can just go to your local hardware store, send us a receipt, we'll reimburse you, or if you have time, we'll ship you one out. So we got 200-gallon tanks on each side, so 400 total. The spoils tank is 800 gallons. And if you notice on the top, we've got auto wash feature on this, so it cleans it out. So there's 2 jets positioned in a certain way that it creates a swirl inside the tank to wash it out. And all the metal on it, it's all powder coated. We don't paint it, we powder coat everything. We can custom colors. We can custom side panels, either cut with our plasma cutter, cut logos or whatever you want on there, or you can put a sticker on it. Back around here, you've got a rear opening door on hydraulics. We have a 6-inch dump right here, a valve to dump that, and then here's our suction, and we've got it's a 4-inch tube. We went down to 3-inch for this suction tube, and this is where you wrap your suction hose around when you're done for traveling. So tanks have a line that goes between them, so it'll draw from both tanks at the same time. No need to switch over. And then you got your reel here for the power washer. So we got that cord. And then here's all the controls, and we'll go through a demonstration next. All right, so here's a startup procedure. It's in the off position, you turn it to the run position. It cycles through diagnostics. Once it's done that, you just hit the crank. It idles at about 800 RPM. Before you engage the clutch, you want to have it up to about 1500 RPM before you engage the clutch. Same when you turn it off, before you disengage it, idle it down to 1500 RPMs. It runs at 2400 RPM. So right now it's at 800, we're going to kick it up to 15. Right about there. Now I can engage the clutch. These are your vacuum and water, vacuum and water. You turn both of those on. And then right here, it's in the neutral position. Vacuum's this way, pressure's that way. So we're gonna do the vacuum. And then take it up to 2400. Dig a hole. We're going to dig right there.
So here we cut a square hole. We're trying to expose a buried line, a utility line. That's the purpose of this machine. So we can expose it without rupturing the line when we're doing other utility work right beside it. It's called potholing.
Okay, shutdown procedure. Move that into the neutral position. And take it back down to about 1500 RPM. Right about there, and then disengage the clutch. Shut that off. And then you can take her back down to 800 and then shut it off. Off and off.
Trying to get it done snail.
Okay. Then we have a little port right here to hold that, keep it from flopping around, and then you just lock the, and she's locked. And the hose wraps around the back end here. Just like that.
Tuck that in. Or you tuck it in here if you want.
Yeah, that'd probably be better.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Okay. Which direction? Okay. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, so come over. All right. Okay, so to dump the tank and the rear door open with hydraulics. Here are the hydraulic controls. You can see that dump and dump. So this lever is on dump. That means it's going to dump the trailer, tilt the spoils tank. If you flip them over to door, then it opens that back door. Same hydraulic. This right here is your hand. That's the power washer we were using by hand. You switch it to auto, and that's the auto wash inside the tank. Okay. So we got to fire the machine back up. You can actually tilt it with the, let me grab the remote. Where'd that darn box go? So there's hydraulic controls right here on a cord, or there's a remote. Makes it a little easier because you can walk in the back. So it's on the dump. So we're gonna tilt the tank. Like that. I'll turn the auto wash on. So it's spraying now on the inside. The auto wash is going, it's circulating water. And on, off. You come over here. All right, now I'm gonna demonstrate how we blow the tank out. So I'm gonna drop the tank back down so it's horizontal, spray some more on the inside, and then we'll just shoot it out. I'll show you the power that comes out. Got it on auto. We flip the water on there. It's washing some more, putting some more water on the inside. Get a little bit in there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is pressurize the tank. We're going to reverse the blower. So instead of coming this way to vacuum, you go that way to blower. Oh, I forgot to shut the... Now you can see the pressure building. The pressure will build up. When it gets to about 10, you can open up the back. Now come back here and stand back and then just shoot. Turn the power washer on. I'm spraying some more water for the auto wash. So you can tell at the end there when that water's coming out clear, it's pretty much cleaned the inside of the tank. The rear door does open in case you need to get in there and spray if something's really clogged in there, but the power, the tank's made with 1/4 inch steel. Most of them are 3/16 inch. So you can pressurize that. You can get it up to 10 to 15 PSI inside that tank, which is what causes all that pressure. I think that's it.